In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to connect ChatGPT to Roblox Studio. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox Studio. Make sure you have already logged in. Now click on these three dots under Assistant. Then navigate to the option Manage MCP Servers. Toggle on for the option Enable Studio as MCP Server. Then click on this drop down for Setup Instructions. Copy this startup command for CLI tools. Now navigate to the ChatGPT account. Make sure you are already logged in. Now here you're going to find this section of codecs. Click on that. Now download it. Once it has been downloaded, click on the file and install it. Then provide your ChatGPT account's credentials and log in. Now click on File option, go to Settings. Here navigate to this option MCP Servers. Click on the option Add Server. Now you will need to fill in these. First, you can give it a name. In the command to launch, type in cmd.exe. In the arguments, type in /c. Then click on plus and then paste the command prompt that we have copied before. Once you have filled up all these, click on Save. Now you can head back, go to the chats page. Now type in, can you connect to Roblox Studio and press enter. If everything is set up correctly, ChatGPT will confirm the connection. ChatGPT will confirm the connection. You will also see in Roblox Studio that multiple clients are now connected, which confirms that the integration is working successfully. That's it. This way you are able to connect ChatGPT to Roblox Studio. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.